Right, it's slow going, so I figured I'd just do a bit of an update. I do love watching the colours develop as the ice starts to melt, and I think this one is going to be, the colourway on this, well, so far it's amazing. It will change once I unfurl the hoodie and I kind of unscrumple it, if that's a word. Is that a word? I just made that up. But yeah, that one's coming along nicely. You can't really see too much of the pink one that I was doing for Kate. The re-dye, that just looks like, oh, a cocktail or something, just a bucket of meat. She called it, she thought it was meat when I sent her the picture, so no, it's not meat. And the other one is the, ignore the name on the basket, I found it, remember. This one has got potential to be really cool. I do love the dark green and the light greens. We'll see how much white survives once we get all the melted ice. Might even let them, even once the ice is melted, might just let these sit for another 24 hours. Really let the colours take to the material and start to dry before I do anything, take any of the next steps, which usually I let them dry kind of room temperature, or dry naturally, then dry them in the tumble dryer to really lock the colour down before I rinse them, which the rinsing, that still gets rid of any like speckling, like see, like down here, any kind of spots of, well, undiluted dye, really, dye powder. But yeah, keep you updated, see how we go on.